Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process removes screen lock if you have one that you might not know, and if I lock the device you should be able to see that I do have a pattern set right here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. Now to actually perform the reset of the device in order to remove the screen lock, we will need to forcibly reboot the device, which we do by holding power key and volume down. Rebooting the device nor powering it off is not an option when you have a screen lock that you don't know, just because every time you try to, it will confront you that you need to verify your PIN, pattern, password, whatever you have set. So anyway, for this we'll also need a computer and a cable, so you can plug it into your computer. As you can see, it's now charging, so it is connected. So let's get started by holding power key and volume down. Now before you do so, I do urge you to unlock the device, or like just the screen so you can actually see it, and just interact with the pattern. That will prevent the screen from timing out if you're just drawing something on it, which will allow you to see when the device actually turns off. It is a crucial part of to know when the device turns off, because without that basically you won't know when to switch from volume down to volume up. So anyway, let's get started. Power, volume down. Disregard this. There we go, it turned off. Switch to volume up, so power key and volume up, and this will show you the Samsung Galaxy, and after about a second longer we should see recovery mode. There we go. So we can get rid of the cable. That's the only reason we needed it, to boot it into the recovery mode. And in here, using volume keys to navigate, because touchscreen doesn't work, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, and select factory data reset. At the bottom you should see data wipe complete, and also reboot system now will be selected by default at this point, so press power key once again to confirm that option. And this will now continue the reset of your device in the background, so it will take a tiny bit longer to basically boot back up than you might be used to, but it's completely fine. It's just continuing the factory reset in the background. Once it's been completed, we will be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.